Pancake Palooza, I'm in. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. If you're new to my channel, I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that could benefit you in your home, subscribe. But definitely hit that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Jess at Just Jess issued an open invitation to her Pancake Palooza. What's a Pancake Palooza? Well, that's a pancake festival where you put all different kinds of toppings on your pancakes. My family, we're pretty traditional. I'll show you what we like in just a minute, because first I've got to make some pancakes. I'm just going to get started with just some plain old Mrs. Butterworth buttermilk pancake, and it's a complete mix, so all I need to do is add water. I used to go through all the trouble of using the flour and the baking powder and all that stuff and make my own batter, but I don't bother to do that now. Mrs. Butterworth or Hungry Jack's are just fine for our family. So a cup of mix and 3/4 cup of water, and I'll get this stirred up, and then I'll get these pancakes on. And while I've got this going, I've also got some Johnsonville sausage links over there on the stove cooking. So I'll give this a quick stir, and then I'll let it sit for 3 minutes to kind of rise. I've got the batter to the consistency that I like. So now I'll let it rise and I'll check on the sausage. Let's turn these sausages over. They're browning up nicely. I've already sprayed the griddle with some pan, and I'm using my Curtis Stone crepe pan. It makes great pancakes. While the pancake's cooking, I'll get the topping ready. Golden brown. That's the way I like them. Add a little butter to the top while it's still cooking. So now I've got some beautiful golden brown pancakes here on the counter, and then here are my toppings. First of all, I've got some apple pie filling, which I love apple pie filling on my pancakes and waffles, and the particular kind I've got is the country apple. It is the Duncan Hines country apple pie filling, and it is amazing. And then my husband likes pecans on his pancakes, so I've got a dish of pecans. And then sometimes he also likes peanut butter, so I've got some creamy Jif peanut butter. And of course, you gotta have some maple syrup. And I forgot to mention the Ready Whip to go on top of the apple pie filling. So let's dish some of that up. Now the apple pancakes will be for me. My husband doesn't care for that much sweetness on his pancakes. And he tends to just like some pecans sprinkled on his, just some pecan. with the syrup, and then I'll put the peanut butter on this one. And my youngest son loves peanut butter on his pancakes. He just rarely ever eats pancakes without a little peanut butter on them. So let me just add a little bit of maple syrup here. And let's give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. So that's how we eat pancakes here in the Jordan house. Now here's my question for you. Which one of these pancake delights during this Pancake Palooza would you like to try at your house? Tell me in the comment section below. Or what other toppings do you prefer? Because inquiring minds want to know. And let me take this opportunity to thank Jess at Just Jess for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun. I mean, it was just fun to think about, well, what kind of topics do I want on my pancake? Make the pancake batter and then whip them up and put the toppings on it. Just fun. So thank you, Jess, for hosting a collab that was just fun. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. And here's a reminder that September is National SIDS Awareness Month. So we need to all be emphasizing our safe sleep situations. If you don't know what that is, I did a video on safe sleep a few weeks ago. I'll link it below and put an iCard above. And for those of you with babies and grandbabies or just babies you love, please look into safe sleep and make sure that all babies have a safe sleep environment. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.